What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Ash and Greninja. Don't draw a lot of Pokemon. Probably should draw more. But you know, there's so many tutorials of how to draw Pokemon everywhere. So I guess there's not much originality I can bring to Pokemon. But seeing this requested a good few times, we might as well do it. Why not? So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go to fast, Ash in the front, Grininja at the back, so we'll start with Ash. And they're kind of like side profile. Ash is kind of 3/4, but simple enough face in Pokemon. Simple style, right? Center point here, come across. We start with his top eyelid line, curving up and down, like that. Bottom eyelid line, much smaller, there. Iris and pupil, real big anime eyes like so, and then they draw in the highlight here, the white circle, and then the pupil just in the middle, very skinny, thin pupil. So the other eye is kind of down from this one, right? So it like his head is kind of tilted, so it goes down this way, and then we curve it over again. Bottom eyelid is there. Curves around like so. White highlight drawn in. And then his pupil, just a thin circle just here in the middle. Best we can. Yeah, so his nose, just like a little arrow, sort of pointing that way. And then his mouth, big confident smile on Ash, like so. He's got like little eye lightning sort of things underneath his eyes as well. So like little kind of things like that. Kind of like Harry Potter scars or something. Chosen one. And then his eyebrows, just these spikes kind of going this way. And then his hair, two spikes coming down the middle. Kind of disappear underneath his hat, but bumps up a little bit here. So his face shape just kind of curves around his eyebrow there. Curves out for his cheek. We go down to his chin. Pointy chin then, and then we have his jaw here up to his ear. A little bit of a gap, and then another piece of hair there. And then his ear curves around. Ear line inside. So his hat then, so the hat line will kind of go across towards his hair there, then to about there, and then the cap curves itself, like the rim of it goes that way. Then it comes out from behind his hair here, which spikes out a little bit. And the cap goes down. These pupils about the same size. Right, so then that red cap. And then it has a couple of extra lines inside. And then a semicircle symbol. Like that. And some more hair sticking out here at the back. So his neck down from his chin, collar for his shirt just curves around here, and then a collar sticks up, back, down, there. Collar sticks out the other side here. And then we got a bit of a V. His arms are kind of folded around, so we got like his shoulder here. Maybe it comes out a bit further actually. Go, yeah, go out this way. It's like a fold. There's like a white line on his arm. That's what that could be. Like that. Yeah, I think he has. There's a white stripe there. And his hand sort of comes in here over his arm, but it will finish his body just going down this way. And then his shoulder on the other side. Down for his sleeve there. And then his elbow. Comes up this way. And the other arm comes down. Like that. Then we can just see his hand disappearing in behind the armpit there, and then his arm. And that way. And he's got gloves, like fingers and gloves. So it just goes up. Each of these a finger. And they've got like black fingerless gloves. And then they put little fingernails just there. Okay, so that's how you draw folded arms. And then his body just comes up this way. And then there's more lines on his clothing. Hasn't aged a day since I watched Pokemon. Is Ash immortal? That's the question. I think so. And then this keeps going down that way. Boom. Okay, Greninja. So he's in behind Ash. The tongue sort of like the scarf tongue kind of wraps around here, but he's taller than Ash. You gotta put him like on top. So we'll go with the eye, I guess. Center everything. Here. And then his eyelid line looks angry. Red eyes. White pupil. And he's got this black ear or something, so it spikes this way. Red lightning. There. And then a black ear. Goes that way. Down. Like so. Right, so rest of the head. So he's got this like white thing here. And then his head kind of goes, steps out like that, and then it goes out again further and down to what looks like a beak. And then his tongue goes around like a scarf there. Some more lines inside here. So this is like his mouth line. And then there's a blue thing there. Like a nostril or a nose. And then the rest of his tongue wraps around there. And then back of the head that way. Right, so the scarf goes over the body there. It's got like lines on it. And then his back goes all the way down to there. His arms are folded as well. So we got like these like legs this way. And then like his body goes up underneath his arm there. And so his arms are like coming across here. And then we have another leg that way. Okay, so folded arms, shoulder, there. And then we have these gecko-like fingers. They kind of look like cherries. Another one here, round. And then this goes back. And this is the back of his hand, just there. And he's got like webbing in between. And then his arm bumps over this way. And the other arm goes underneath it, but say it like goes out here, around to his elbow. So we just see his elbow here, and then he's got like that circle on it. To there, circle, line going down there. And then he's got like a symbol on his chest. And then we got wings, blue shiny, like dragonfly wings, and a tail coming out back here. And like a wing going up this way, comes out behind Ash's hat. Goes back down, and then tongue wraps around again that way. Does he have like a star on his leg? I think so. Something there anyway. And the rest of his tongue. Real big, round sort of end to it. That way. And I think that's it. Ash and Greninja. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.